Hi everyone, and welcome back to English Step by Step. Today, we're diving into everyday expressions, those little phrases native speakers use all the time. Mastering these will help you understand spoken English much more easily. So let's jump right in. What are everyday expressions? Everyday expressions are phrases or idioms people use in casual conversations. For example, instead of saying, "I'm very tired," someone might say, "I'm wiped out." If you're not familiar with these, it can be confusing, but don't worry, I'll make them simple and fun for you. Common expressions and their meanings. Let's look at 20 essential expressions you'll hear often in everyday English. What's up? This just means, how are you? Or what's happening? You can reply with not much, or share what you're doing. I'm all ears. It means I'm listening carefully. For example, tell me your story. I'm all ears. Hang on. This is a casual way of saying, wait a moment. For example, hang on, I need to grab my phone. Piece of cake. It means something is very easy. For instance, that exam was a piece of cake. Under the weather. This means feeling unwell. For example, I'm staying home today because I'm a bit under the weather. Break the ice. This is when you do or say something to make people feel more comfortable, like telling a joke at a meeting to break the ice. Spill the beans. It means to reveal a secret. Example, don't spill the beans about the surprise party. Burn the midnight oil. This means working late into the night. Example, I burned the midnight oil to finish my project. Cut to the chase. It means to get straight to the point. Example, we're short on time, so let's cut to the chase. Call it a day. It means to stop working on something. Example, we've done enough for now, let's call it a day. Hit the books. Study hard. Example, I've got an exam tomorrow, so I need to hit the books. Blow off steam. Release stress or anger. Example, after the meeting, I went for a run to blow off steam. Pull someone's leg. Joke or tease someone. Example, I was just pulling your leg, I'm not moving to Mars. Give it a shot. Try something. Example, I've never baked before, but I'll give it a shot. Hit the nail on the head. Exactly right. Example, you hit the nail on the head with your analysis. Run out of steam. Lose energy or motivation. Example, I started the day strong, but ran out of steam by afternoon. Go the extra mile. Make extra effort. Example, she always goes the extra mile to help her friends. Keep an eye on. Watch or monitor something. Example, can you keep an eye on my bag while I go to the restroom? Throw in the towel. Give up or quit. Example, I'm not throwing in the towel yet, I'll keep trying. The ball is in your court. It's your decision or responsibility. Example, I've given you the details. Now the ball is in your court. Let's see these expressions in action. Skit 1 study group. Setting, a library. Hey, what's up? Not much. I've got a test tomorrow, so I need to hit the books. Same here. Let's study together. If you're stuck, I'm all ears. Great. Let's give it a shot. Skit 2 office chat. Setting, a workplace. We're running out of time. Let's cut to the chase. Who's handling the presentation? I'll do it, but I'll need you to keep an eye on the stats for me. Got it. Let's finish this quickly and call it a day. Skit 3 friends at the park. Setting a park bench. It's been a long day. I'm under the weather and totally ran out of steam. Same here. Let's take a break and blow off some steam with a game. Sounds like a piece of cake. Let's play. Skit 4 birthday surprise. Setting a living room. Are you coming to the surprise party tomorrow? Wait, what surprise party? Oops, did I just spill the beans? Forget I said that. Too late. But don't worry, I won't tell anyone. Skit 5 family dinner. Setting around the dinner table. This lasagna is amazing. Did you make it? Yeah, but I wasn't sure how it would turn out. I just went the extra mile with the recipe. Well, you hit the nail on the head. It's perfect. Thanks. Let's dig in before we run out of steam. That's it for today. Practice these expressions with your friends or write your own dialogues using them. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone learning English. See you next time on English Step by Step. Bye.